You know, I want to say something. We had 800 people waiting for me to go live here on YouTube. We got more people waiting for the live stream to go live than most people get at the peak of their live stream. So congratulations for joining the number one team. Number one team, baby. We're live. We're making money. We're on YouTube. If you haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Gaps love to get filled. Right now, what do we got? Not really much of a little bit of a gap down here, honestly. A little bit of a gap down right now. So we'll see how this plays out on the QQQ. We closed yesterday pretty much. What did we close at? We closed 382.25 level. So that was where we got the close yesterday on the QQQ here. So keep that in mind going into open. I think we're at a very interesting spot here because this is kind of looking like yesterday. Yesterday we had kind of that pullback pre-market. Everybody was like, all right, today is the sell-off. Today's the day we're going to pull back, right? Like, we're going to pull back here. And then look at what's happening now. So we'll see how it plays out. Yesterday was an absolute insane ripper of a day. The VWAP playing out perfectly here on the 15-minute chart. You can see the VWAP, the bounce, literally just bam, and then making about a 100-point move off of that VWAP. A little bit, almost 200 points off of that VWAP bounce. So, you know, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that the VWAP bounce is guaranteed to be profitable, but I mean, it's hard to fight the idea. Today, we're actually getting stuck kind of below the VWAP here, so we'll see how this plays out. Marco, why is it a gap down when it is higher than the actual price action? Huh? What? What? That doesn't make sense. Basically, yesterday we closed at 382.61. So today we're below that level. Math is hard, my friend. Math is hard. 382, 381. I don't know. It seems to be a gap down here. All right. So I see a lot of people talking about today being a for sure sell-off day. I'm kind of I'm a little, I don't know. I don't want to say for sure that we're going to go up now, but if everybody's bearish, it's normally a good sign that we might have a good rally here. Because you got to think, you know, the market loves to basically do the opposite of what the majority of people love to do, because you get short squeeze. If everybody's bearish at open and people start getting short, it adds on to the fire. We start pushing. I think if we get above this 830 level, we'll push up there to the high of day from yesterday. So we'll see how it plays out. I do like a little mixture of protein powder, I guess, and protein collagen, perfect keto collagen with a little bit of protein powder. Oh yeah, just got my workout in this morning. And we're ready to party, baby. Woo! Woo, baby. What should be what do we got? Give me a band. What do you guys got? Give me a band. Like that Instagram battle? Fucking Instagram workout people getting mad that I have more followers and more money and I'm sexier than they'll ever be. So I'd be mad too if all I did was work out every day, all day, and then there's some idiot like me on the internet that has more followers, more money, and posting workout videos. They get very upset. They're like, stop posting workout videos. You're not even in shape. I'm like, well, you know, I might not be as in shape as you, but I definitely got more money. I'm getting more numbers. And I'm living the dream, baby. So I don't know who's winning. The guy that's extremely ripped or the guy that's kind of just mediocre. You know, I think it's me. All right. The problem is I'm still like, I get done working out at like 8:30 and I'm still kind of like hot from working out. So I got to cool down here. I'm getting hot up in here. It's getting hot up in here. Right now, the NASDAQ got this kind of VWAP right there. We got this downward trend here on the 15-minute, on the 5-minute chart here. So like I said, we're kind of watching to see if we can get above that 30 level. We had that overnight high there at the 43s. I think if the bulls come in here, we could just get a quick squeeze up there, fill that gap on the NASDAQ, on the QQQ there from the close yesterday, and then who knows from there. I mean, you'd be thinking, you know, a push up here to the 45s. That's if we get above. We got to get above the VWAP here. Kind of a similar setup on the ES here as well for now. So the ES also right there below the VWAP. Interesting, kind of putting in higher lows here, running into open now. We got that pivot point right here at the 49s for the ES. And the high of day yesterday on the ES all the way up there at the 65. So about a, 15-point move to the upside to run up there to the high of day yesterday. Like I always say, we really don't care which way the market goes. If it goes up, if it goes down, we just want to jump in on the action. So we'll see how she plays. I mean, like I said, I don't want to jinx it, but I see everybody talking about sell-off, and I'm like, huh. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. If everybody's bearish, then that probably means that we're going to go up. There's a reason 90% of day traders lose. You know? Let's do a poll. Let's see. Up or down at open? Up or down at open? What do you guys got? We got 5 minutes here till the market opens. Let's see what the poll is, and we'll do the exact opposite. Have I watched the show The Bear? I have. Yeah, The Bear is pretty sick. The Bear. Good show. Let's see. Uh-oh. Guys, don't pick up. Don't pick up. Don't say it. Don't do it. If everybody says we're going up, now we're going to go down. Damn it. Oh. You guys are jinxing it now. 72% say that we're going up. Yeah, 28% say we're going down. All right. Let's see how this plays out. On the book map right now, there's nothing really too crazy in terms of liquidity. We got that 805 level down there, 52 contracts. A little bit of liquidity showing up the 41s for now. And if we get above the VWAP here. Uh-oh. Yeah, I see that Billions is coming back and Bobby Axelrod's coming back, baby. I mean, it just wasn't the same. Let's be honest. The last season of Billions with Mike Prince, not the same vibes. I want Bobby Axelrod back. I want the outlaw back, you know? Like Dollar Bill says, what's the point in fucking making tons of money and being rich if you can't fucking do what you want, right? That's the dream, my friends. Having that fuck you money. If you guys ever watched the movie The Gambler, great movie. Watch it. The Gambler. There's some really good kind of introspective information in that movie, to be honest. And I love the best is, like, if you look at the reviews, there's a actual like professional critic that left a review on The Gambler and saying that this movie's too much about gambling. I'm like, it's called Gambler. The Gambler. What did you expect? Rounders. Rounders is a good one, but the new Gambler. The Gambler with Mark Wahlberg. I just love the part where he's like sitting there and the guy's like, when you're up fucking $300,000, you walk away, you fucking go buy a house, and you fucking sit on that money, you know, you get that fuck you money. Once you get to the part where you have that fuck you money, anyone comes to you, you just say, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Now we've hit our fuck you total for the morning. YouTube's gonna go ahead and shadow ban me for the day. Damn it. If you didn't like my stream before, you'll definitely love it now. I like to really make sure I can weed out all the losers before the market opens here. If I say the F word enough, hopefully all the all the losers will end up going somewhere else. But I can't watch this guy. He curses too much. I've never seen, I have like, hey, I got nothing against people that don't like cursing, I guess, but come on. You're literally gonna cry because some guy on the internet said the F word. Patrick says the F word too much. I don't like him. He's a bad person. Honestly, for me, I don't even like, people are like, oh, I can't believe you curse so much. I'm like, I don't even think about it. It's not even like I don't even think about the F word as like a curse word anymore. I just think about it as like an actual just part of, it's like a normal vocabulary word. Like a normal vocabulary for me. When are we getting the Patrick Wieland merch? I don't know. What do you guys want? Just say fuck you on the front of it. That'll be my new t-shirt. Band. That'd be a good t-shirt. Just a big band across there. Gone. All right. Getting ready for the market open. We got 4 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. It's open. Which way do we go? The market down for now. That 805 level on the book map, taking out that liquidity on there. We had 70% of the members saying we were going to go up at open. Oh gosh. Does this play out that way? Oh no. Market trying to bounce here. Kind of watching here at the 800 level to see what happens. And down there are the 95s. And still dipping. She's dipping. Let's see what happens here at this pivot point now. 95 pivot point there. And currently just straight down here. Little pushback up there quickly. And we get back above 800s here. You got to save this thing. The ES pushing back up stronger than the NASDAQ right now. Will this be the bottom? Or the rip back up here possible? Get back over 800 here. Should push to the 810s or higher. There's that pushback up 800s now. Got stuck there at 800 again. Just chopping around here at the 90s on the NASDAQ. She's selling straight down right now. No real bounce yet. We're still just dumping here. So we should try to see if we bounce around this 70 level now. Let's see. Little bounce right there. There's that bounce off the 70s, back up to the 80s now. On the book map right now, kind of seeing what happens here at the 70s. We're going to hold that 70 level there. Through the 70s now. The ES reversed it up here. Look at the ES back up to the VWAP right now. Interesting move here. We got some conflicting information here. Yeah, some confliction. Little dip down there on the NASDAQ. The ES still look at the ES sitting up there at the 50s above the VWAP. The NASDAQ straight down. The ES reversing back up there above the VWAP for now. Interesting. NASDAQ basically needs to try to bounce here to get going again. To follow the ES back up. We have not really had any bounce yet. And the NASDAQ still dumping here. Just straight down, baby. Look at the ES holding up there. ES pushing right now, pushing up. The NASDAQ pushing down. Gotta love it. How is that possible? There's the rip back up, possibly. And now pushing straight back up here. We can get back over 70 here, strong, possibly trying to push back up. Got that pivot point up there towards the 800s. That 80 level on the book map up there. Possibly push through. The ES going up. NASDAQ still stuck here at the bottom right now. NASDAQ's just in sell mode here. Sell mode on the NASDAQ. Down to the 50s now. I think the NASDAQ's going to find a bottom here sooner than later. Especially with the ES trying to push up through the 50s right now. Be careful if you're shorting down here on the NASDAQ at the bottom here. Get back over that 70 level. Should be able to squeeze back up here. 70 sitting there now. See if we start squeezing up here. Back over that 70s. Stop at 65 here. Looking for a pushback up to at least 80 on this. Wanted to kind of hold there. At the 68s now, 70 level. Try to push up there towards the 80s quickly. 80s, 75, 80 level. Looking for, I like to get like up into the 80s here. I think 81s. Trying to get filled here. 81s, almost getting filled. I'm going to move this target up. There we go, getting filled. 81s. Nice and easy. Now we wait for another opportunity. We got the breakout there on that, kind of getting back above that trend line there. Like I said, above the 70s, push to the 80s. So back above the 70s now, pushing through the 80s here. I think there's still room to run back up. With the ES pushing straight up, the NASDAQ should get going as well here. So let's see how this plays out. Crypto Alliance passing the Topstep Combine. Let's go, my friend. It's time to party. The NASDAQ all the way up there to 87s now. Look at the ES going straight up here. ES straight up. The NASDAQ trying to even get back up to the pivot there at the 90s. Having trouble for now. Kind of watching to see what happens here now. Just dumping back down. What is going on with the NASDAQ here? NASDAQ just cannot get going. And back down here to the 60s again on the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ down there to the 50s again. Dollar climbing up here. The NASDAQ pulling back. The ES still looking bullish up there. Look at the ES right now. Breaking back out. So I think the NASDAQ's just lagging here. Oh my gosh. I didn't really call out this trade because I thought it would be a very dangerous trade, but I took this trade off the bottom here. Let's see if we get a little pushback up. Gotten stuck there at the 70s again and possibly stopped out here for 1,000. Let's see. Pretty risky trade trying to buy that bottom down there, but see if they wanted to push it back up. The book map kind of showing those buyers stepping in there. See if we get back up to like the 80s here. With the ES breaking out, like I said, I don't know how the NASDAQ's having so much trouble here. And we go all the way up there to the 80s being my target here. $75s now pushing. We can take a little bit of profit here. 76s. And then let's see if we can't get a bigger move here on some smaller size. That 75 push. If we get through this 75s, I think we'll go to the 80s. I'm going to move that target up there closer to 80s now, 78s. We already guarantee we can't lose on the trade, obviously, but see what happens here. Need to kind of hold 60s for now. On the book map there, trying to hold that 60 level. Need to push, push, push. Push, push, push. You're looking for 78 to get my first 5 take off there. Up through the 75s now, looking for that 78 push here to take 2 off. Taking 2 off right there, or 5 off. Beautiful. Still got 10 left. Let's see if we can't push up there towards the 90s now. Push up there to the 90s next. I might stop below, right below 60s here. Give it a little bit of room. Try to get this push up towards the 90s. I'll take off another 5 here at 84s. There's liquidity at 85, so take some off at 84s. Just being patient. The ES still up at the highs. The NASDAQ just not having the power to get moving back up here again for now. So we already took off some profit there on that push up to the 78s. Letting the rest ride for now. We need more of a push here. I'm going to move this target up as well. We get through here at the 80s. I don't see how we don't go to the 90s next. She's trying to push back up, having a little bit of trouble there at the 80s again. Possibly pulling back here. Oh, God. Kind of looking like a possibly pulling back. If it can't hold 70s here, we'll probably dip back down here again. Need to hold that 70 level for this to continue breaking out. Push up. Don't like that pullback there. Let's see what happens here. Come on. Hold that 70 level here. Hold 70s. And we're stopped out. I should have just taken profit. I don't know why I didn't take profit right there at the 70s. I saw it. I saw the setup there, and I should have just taken profit right at that 70 level. Is what it is. Now dipping back down there to the lows again. Fuck. See, like, I mean, it was pretty much like if we didn't hold right there, should have just taken it off right there. YOLO. Still on the day, we're up $6,000 on the day there, so can't complain. We were looking for a bigger move. Potential was there. Had a pretty good like double bottom potential for that move back up. Just could not get that to break the way we wanted to, so. I wouldn't even say it was greed. I mean, it's just that was a setup. That was a good setup. You know? That's the type of setup that we easily could have broke out here through the 80s, pushed back up there into the 800s. So the only way you're going to get those big trades is you hold on to those big setups. And overall, that was my setup. So we had to take it. Just it is what it is. It didn't work out. We're on to the next. Market pulling back here now, so. You can't be like, you know, you literally, you can't cry about not taking profit on a trade that you have. When you have a setup like that, you gotta fucking, I don't know. I'm not gonna sit here and like justify that trade for not taking 4,000. That could have easily been a $10,000, $20,000 trade right there. And I know everyone it's always easy in hindsight. Sit there in the fucking chat and talk shit. Oh, you should have taken profit. Why didn't you take profit? Still got more opportunities. We got this pivot point on the NASDAQ down there at the 710s next, so. We break through this 40 level, I think. Maybe we sell down from there. I don't know. Watching to see what happens kind of here if we form a little bull flag, or I mean a bear flag on the chart now. We're bouncing off that pivot point on the QQQ for now. Hey. Market pushing back up here to the 60s. The NASDAQ is definitely just having trouble here today. The ES showing strength there again, pushing up after that little pullback. Want to see what happens here now on the ES. I haven't really had any issues today with trade debate lagging. Market once again kind of bouncing off that trend line here on the 1 minute chart. Little dip down here. The ES still just showing a lot of strength. The ES about to break through a high right here, while the NASDAQ has not been able to recover off the bottom, really. Just getting sucked down, down, down to that bottom over and over here. So let's see what happens. A lot of disconnection right now between the ES and the NASDAQ. Go play some pickleball. AJ Scarp, #1 pickleball player in Orlando, in the chat. We got famous people up in here, people. #1 pickleball player. Watch it. #1 pickleball player in Orlando watches Patrick Wieland live on YouTube. That's a claim if I've ever seen one. That's a claim if I've ever seen one, my friends. A lot of day traders out there, they brag about making money, and I'm bragging about by having the #1 pickleball player in Orlando watching me live on YouTube. What's up? Is that an accomplishment? I don't know if that's not an accomplishment. I don't know what is. Right now, push it back up here. Do we break to the upside here once again? The NASDAQ, the ES. I don't know. I just feel as long as the ES keeps showing that strength, the NASDAQ's gonna keep bouncing and trying to get bullish here again. It's still just been stuck in this downward trend all morning, but we got the VWAP on the NASDAQ all the way up there at the 93s, my friends. 93 VWAP area. Can she go? I like to see that push back all the way to that. Right now, you got that VWAP and the pivot point up there at the 95, 93 area. So, interesting possibility here. Nice little 30, 40 point move off this 60 level if we keep pushing. So, will she go? Will she go? I'll be here if you need me. Oh. So on the day right now, sitting pretty right here, up almost $9,000 on the day. Only one losing trade. Got basically break even, that one $300 break even trade. And we're just chilling. Looking for the next opportunity here. So let's see. I'd love to see that NASDAQ push up there to the VWAP again. If you guys haven't hit that like button, we'll do a giveaway here once you hit the like button. We get 1,000 likes on the stream, we'll do a giveaway. How does Sage do? You already know how Sage is doing. How you doing, Sage? Making money, buddy, buddy, buddy. Let's go see how the Market Flow Trader community is doing. Right now, Market Flow Trader community in the market chatter. Blake, where the fuck have you been, Blake? Literally, where the fuck has Blake been? Am I still in? Oh my God. Like, what do you guys do? You tune in after the fact and then you ask questions like, are you still doing live trades? Oh my God, look at this push. God. What the fuck? She's still going. Let's see, can we get this breakout here? Go, go, go. Take it right there. Fifth. Oh my God, look at that fill. I got filled below the fucking. It did it. You guys saw it live. Trade evade. Well, it's lagging again. How did that look? The price filled me below where the price was. What the fuck? Oh my God. Literally, if somebody asks me one more stupid question, I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking explode. I'm gonna fucking explode. Do you still do live trades? What have we been doing all morning long? Stupid fucking questions, man. God. Patrick, do you still do live? I don't know. Did you guys see like we had a live trade on for like 5 minutes. The fuck? This is all pre-recorded actually. By the way. We're pre-recording all this. This is actually all recorded yesterday. My God. I just can't do it anymore. Can't handle this. Stupid fucking questions. There's that push up there at 85s, almost to the 90s. What did I say? VWAP, the pivot point up there at the 95s. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. On the book map right now, you got all that liquidity up there at the 900s. I mean, 800s. I think she wants that push through the 800s sooner than later. The ES breaking out through the highs. The NASDAQ still has not gotten above the VWAP here, but I think we're going to go. 800, 131 contracts. They are on the bubble map right now. Bubble map, bubble map, bubble map. She wants it. It's a little pullback here before taking off one more time. Boner candle through the VWAP coming. Boner candle through the VWAP. Watch. Boner candle, VWAP break through the pivot point. Hiya! Just like that. It's going to happen. Little pullback here for now, and then boner candle through the VWAP. Am I trading gold or silver? I'm trading Pokemon cards. Holographic Charizards only. So we're trading over here. There's about 1 million holographic Charizards, and right now the price is $15,780. Do you want to buy my Pokemon card? It's for sale. I'll sell you my Pokemon card for $15,800. Who wants it? Buy it now. Buy, buy, buy. Sell, sell, sell. I saw that you can actually trade hotel rooms. It's a new thing. You guys see that? Anyone seen that? It's a new thing. You can actually buy and sell hotel rooms. You can basically speculate on the price of hotel rooms going up and down. I swear to God, it's a thing now. There's actually like a broker that allows you to buy and sell hotel rooms in terms of like you book a hotel room for a Saturday night and then you hope that the price goes up and then you try to resell it for a higher value. I swear to God, it's a real thing. Not even lying. Not even lying. I'm serious. Who wants to fucking speculate on hotel rooms? That's what my new live stream is going to be. Like, all right, so today we're going to buy some hotel rooms in LA and we're going to hope that the price goes up by lunchtime. Yeah, I mean, you're basically speculating on like events and stuff. If there's like a Taylor Swift concert coming up, you buy hotel rooms and you hope that the price goes up in the future. An interesting play, my friends. The market up there to the 85s, pulling back here. The NASDAQ just super weak today. Super weak on the NASDAQ, I'd say. NASDAQ kind of a double top there on the QQQ as well, right there at the 381.29s for now. So getting, look at the ES, still going. Still going on the ES here. ES through the 63s now. NASDAQ's in the red, the ES in the green here. Ay, 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 papi. Dollar's pulling back. Oh my God. This is, I'm telling you, Boater candle through the VWAP. It wants it. There's something about, it's something about the fucking NASDAQ right now, man. Just, I got a sense. I got a sense for Boater candles. I'm telling you. I just know when there's a Boater candle coming. That was a little too much. We're definitely getting banned from YouTube now. Boater candles coming. This stream is rated R, my friends. If you have young children watching, you might want to tune away. Put some headphones on. And again, back up here to the 80s on the NASDAQ. Enoch Akama. Pat is funny and extremely smart about price action. I just stumbled upon his channel 2 days ago, and I think he has a lot of value. Ooh, I like it. I like you. Enoch, I like you. We're friends. We can be friends. I won't ban you. I like when people give me compliments. I like it. I like it. Hee hee hee. Anytime anyone gives me a compliment, we're best friends, all right? I love it. Give it to me. Give me all the compliments. We got that 90 level liquidity sitting up there, and then after that 800, they kind of took away some of the 800 liquidity. There was like 120 contracts, now there's only 50 there. Interesting. Both the ES and the NASDAQ up here. Look at the NASDAQ, just cannot get it going. I just can't believe the NASDAQ hasn't gotten back above the VWAP. Look at the ES. The ES has just been above the VWAP basically since 940 here. And just been pushing while the NASDAQ still below VWAP. VWAP here at the 91s. I don't know. Just looks like it wants to push through the VWAP. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. We'll find out. We'll find out. Do we get a boner candle straight through this level? Just whee! Straight through it. Also today we got a premiere, a little video that I worked on yesterday for you guys, talking about day trading bias. So that's at 11:15 today. If you guys want to tune in for that after the stream, don't be afraid to hit that like button, subscribe button. You know, like button, subscribe button. Every day when you wake up in the morning, you get on this live stream, you hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, well, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. You're wasting your time. Don't watch anyone else. Stop watching everybody else on the internet. Just only watch me. Everybody else, don't waste your time. All right. Boater candle time. It's coming. She wants it. Just straight up through that pivot point there. Just straight up. 803 level. Straight up here. Just get through there. We put in that higher low right here and ripped back up there to this resistance area. We got stuck here, what now, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So if we get through here, you know these shorts are going to be sitting there trying to short right now. So any type of squeeze up just gets all those shorts having to cover. Obviously, we got to get through that 85, I'd say, through 85 and then push up there. There's a bunch of liquidity sitting there at 85 right now. So 85 liquidity sitting there through that, up there through the 800s next. Oh, Right now, the QQQ holding up there at the VWAP for now. So the QQQ, you're thinking that 381 kind of push back up into that level, possible. Right now, consolidating here at the 70s. The ES pulling back. Need that ES to break out. I need that ES push up there to the 66s. We get that push on the ES to 66s. The Nasdaq's gonna go next. Oh, baby. ES tap, tap, tapping. Tap, tap, tapping here. Oh. 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 The Nasdaq, the ES trying to push. Can we get this push to the 800s next? Got to go, go, go. We want to see volume. We want to see action. Look, there's some volume just came in there, but we need more to get through 85s here. We need a boner candle to the upside here. Just whoop, boo. Just one of those whoop, whoop, boo. Straight through that 85 level here. Needs to go. On the ES right now, a bunch of liquidity there. 65, 67. A little bit of consolidation here. Again, stuck at the 85s on the NASDAQ. Rut row. Maybe one more pullback before boner candle time. It's a battle. Pulling back here again, got stuck right at that 84.75. Like I said, looking for that push over 85s here for that breakout. We got stuck right there at 84.75, or right there at 85 was the high on that candle. So needs to break out here. Both the NASDAQ, the ES bouncing. Book map liquidity is still there at the 85s for now. Trying to be patient. Wait for something to happen here. We want a big move either way, up or down. It's consolidating here. Again, bouncing off the 70s for now. Get that break over 85 is kind of what I'm looking for here. Where do we go? Oh, oh, oh. Trying to push here again. I saw people in the chat saying we're about to drop, so you know that what that means. We're about to pop. If people in the chat say we're about to drop, you know we're about to pop. Pretty much. I mean, it's like guaranteed. Every time. Every time. Someone says we're about to drop, we're about to pop. If someone says we're about to pop, we're about to drop. We get over the 85 level, I think we would then try to push up there through the 800s next. So we just need to be patient. I mean, right now, all we're doing is just consolidating, going sideways here. So all we got to do is just wait for something to happen. There's not really, you don't need to do anything. We break over 85, we push, we break to the downside, we sell. So that's simple. Three-minute chart here. Basically waiting for something to kind of, it looks definitely like a big old bear flag here on the 3-minute chart. So if we sell through 65s here, get this breakdown possible, or we kind of pop out here. Never gonna forget you. Never gonna get. Never gonna forget you. Never gonna get. Still showing some strength here. What I think it's gonna do, I think it's gonna break to the upside here as long as it holds this 70 level for now. So that's what I think. We can get through that 85 level. Let's go through the 90 up there to the 800s. See if I'm right. Trying to push up here now. Again, stuck there at the 85s. VWAP at the 90s, and then that pivot point there at 95s, and then 800s kind of up into here. Being a target. Forget you, never gonna get. Never gonna forget you, never gonna get. Never gonna forget. Get. Through the 90s now, trying to push up there. And right there, the VWAP got stuck for now. The 90s again. VWAP. Might want to take a little bit more. Just going to get that boner candle through the VWAP, could we? Trying to look, I got denied there at the VWAP now, selling back down there to the 70s. Do we break through this trend line and try to move down here to the 33s? $1 million question. I'm just chopping around here. Chopping around here for now. Oh my gosh. Consolidation is real. Consolidation is real here. Change. It's getting tighter and tighter here. Tighter and tighter. Why not use TradingView for entries? TradingView lags so bad. Like trying to enter and exit on trades on TradingView. No, thank you. Would I go long here? Well, I mean, I don't think you got to really do anything. Let's just wait. Market is just absolutely going sideways right now. There's no point in really trying to guess which way it's going to go. Or up and down 10 points. Up, down 10 points here. Let the market start to move and then we start to take a trade here. That 67 level down there again. There's a bunch of liquidity at the 60s here. Jess, TradingView is not laggy for you. That's great. I'm happy for you. I don't like, why do people care what I like? If I use what, if you, I don't sit here and say, hey guys, don't trade. Don't do that platform. Congratulations. If it works for you, it works for you. That's totally fine. I don't like it. I'm not going to use it. Like, if you make money trading, congratulations. Like I'm happy for you. Like I want you to succeed. Just because I don't do it the same way you do it does not mean that I'm wrong. It doesn't mean that you're wrong. It's just, give you all my love. And once again, bouncing there off the 70 level, back up there to the 80s for now. The NASDAQ, man, it's wild. It's wild today. I give you all my love. The ES trying to push out here. Just basically stuck in this consolidation zone for now, so. Tough spot to trade it. Oh my love. Alcy Fedowich called me a bully. The fuck is Alcy Fedowich? Like, why do I even care? Who in the fuck is Alcy Fedowich? The fuck do I care about what Alcy Fedowich has to say? All right, all right. What happens here? Looks like we possibly start moving down here now. Let's see. Bunch of liquidity down there at the 50s now. Does this thing start dumping? $50 area just sitting down there for now. There we go, down to the 50s. Really took a 5-second short here from the 63s down there to the 55s really quickly. In and out. Momentum coming back in the market, selling off through that level there. The ES still kind of holding up there at the 60s. The NASDAQ down here to the 60s. 45 liquidity on the book map now. Most of that liquidity down there at the 50s right now on the book map. Does that act as a magnet to pull the price down here? Or just chop around here at the 60s? '60s holding up here again. Little pushback up to that, retest that 70 level. The ES is still just holding up, and that's saving the NASDAQ right now, so. Not sure the bulls are dead just yet, because the ES is holding up here for the NASDAQ, so. Look at this run they just did. Just ran it. Ran it on everybody. Wow. Back up there to the 780s. A lot of fake outs today. Definitely a lot of fake outs today. and back down from the 70s. A little short squeeze right there, I think. Oh, the NASDAQ showing more weakness here as the ES gets stuck there again at the 62s. You're not watching both the ES and the NASDAQ while you're trading, either one. If you're trading the ES, you're trading the NASDAQ, whatever it is, I would highly suggest making sure that you're looking at both. There's nothing wrong with kind of seeing what both of these indexes are doing at the same time, because a lot of times, like if something gets stuck at a range or things like that, you'll get these big moves pretty much like together, or if one gets stuck or vice versa. So I definitely am always keeping a close eye on both the NASDAQ and the ES. All that liquidity still down there at the 50s here on the NASDAQ for now. And that 60 area again on the NASDAQ holding up here. All that liquidity sitting down there at 50s on the NASDAQ here. Liquidity at the 50, 49, 50 area. The ES still just like keeps getting bought up. Even that little like dump down, the ES is right back up in there. So back up to the 60s again here on the ES. So the bulls just don't want to give up here yet. 60 area on the NASDAQ holding up for now. NASDAQ back off the 60s again. Patience is key. I'm going to go to the bathroom. What I miss? What I miss? NASDAQ once again back up there to the 70s. Crazy price action here today, I'd say. Definitely not the easiest price action today, my friends. Definitely not the easiest price action. Once again, the ES getting stuck there at that trend line. Oh my, what the f... Fade away. We got some wild action. Once again, back up to this trend line there. The bulls just do not want to give it up. I think the ES just kind of holding up here is keeping the NASDAQ alive for now, so. That 800 plus, I like it. 800 plus plus. 800 plus pounds of pure poundage. I want that 800 plus push, baby. Buddy. Sorry, I was laughing. Someone texted me something funny. Laughing at that. People be texting me funny stuff because Siri reads it out on my fucking headphones. And it sounds even funnier when she reads it out. So I think the QQQ could gap fill. Which way? Up or down today? I mean, right now, who the fuck knows? It's a painful day, my friends. Painful day here. Oh my gosh. What has this been like? Since 950, we basically just been inside this range now from the 50s to the 70s, 60s, 70s, 60s, 70s. I don't know. There's an old saying, you know, when the market don't want to go down, it's going to go up. Problem is we just don't know how this plays out here. How will the NASDAQ rebalance affect things? Like, I don't think it's really gonna affect anything. People, I don't know why people are so worried about the NASDAQ rebalance. It's just gonna put less weight on certain stocks like Apple and Meta and those types of like big name stocks. That's all. I mean, it's still gonna be same shit. Will we break out here through the 80s? Let's see if it finally happens. I'm going to take it. I stop at break even pretty much. Either going to break straight up here or we're going to chop again. So let's see. Looking for that VWAP push here. I want this just to go straight up there to the VWAP now. Either going to be a nice, easy $3,000 or we get stopped out break even. Come on. Go 90s. A little bitch. And stopped. Almost stopped out. Just go to the 90s already. Fuck me. Fuck me. Oh my God. What a bitch. What a bitch. I don't think there's anyone on YouTube who has shown themselves getting stopped out at break even more than me. I hate my life. I was looking for that push up there to the VWAP. Now it's gonna fucking just pull back, stop me out, and then probably go. Great. What the fuck? You gotta be kidding me. Is this really gonna now break up again? Is it really gonna break up again? I'm gonna take it one more time. Fuck this thing. Come on, go to the 90s already. I hate my life. Just do it. Fucking A. It wants to go 90 so badly. Like, it should break out right here. Like, if this doesn't break out, I quit trading forever. If this doesn't break out, I will quit trading. I will delete my YouTube channel, and I will leave and never come back. Fuck. Shit. Come on. Do it. I will, fuck, I swear to God, I'll quit. I'll delete my YouTube channel live on YouTube. If this don't break out. Come on. How is this not breaking out right now? How is this not happening? I'm serious. I will delete everything. I'll just quit. I quit. I give up. If this don't fucking go. If this don't fucking go right here, I quit. You son of a bitch. God, finally. We hit the VWAP. I don't have to delete my YouTube channel anymore. Thank God. I was a little nervous. I'm not going to lie. I was a little nervous. I did not want to delete my YouTube channel, but, you know, I had to put it all on the line right there. All right, I'm moving into break even. You know what's going to happen? I stop to break even. Whoop, going to come down and take me out just to do it. We're right there at the VWAP right now. I'm being greedy. I know. I should take profit. This is probably going to pull back. I'd retouch that VWAP again, but hey. We're either going through the 800s or we're not. Oh my God. Just get through the VWAP. Just do it. One time. Just listen to me one time, NASDAQ. One time in my entire life. Just listen to me finally. You son of a bitch. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. Literally. How is this possible? Let's go. Right here, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Do it. Do it. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. I'm taking profit. Let's fucking go. Ah! God fucking damn it. Ah! What did I tell you? I told you. I put it all on the line. I left it all on the field. I left it all on the field, people. Let's fucking go. God, fuck. Put it all on the fucking line right there, boys. I live for this game. I breathe this game. Ain't nobody doing it like we're doing it. Ain't nobody. Ain't nobody out there doing it like this. Ain't nobody. Think about that, though. Honestly, how many people literally bet their entire YouTube channel on the fact of this thing breaking out? Nobody. Nobody's going to make that bet. And you think I wasn't serious. If it didn't break out, I would have fucking deleted everything. I would have been done. I would have quit trading. I would have fucking left. I would have been gone forever. Never see me again. I quit. Ah! First off, how the fuck do we not have 1,000 likes here on the stream? Hit the like button. Let's go. Let's do a giveaway. I'm pumped up. Giveaway time. Giveaway time. Giveaway time. Oh my God. Woo. Are we back? I can't tell. Oh. Back, baby. Can't take me down. You can't take me down. You can't take me down, baby. Let's fucking go. All right. Let's do the giveaway. Motherfucking, we're doing 2 giveaway today. 2 giveaway for the Market Flow Trader community. 2 giveaways. You want to learn more about Market Flow Trader? It's $500 for the lifetime membership. You sign up, check it out. It's the #1 trading channel on the trading channel of the trading channels. If you're gonna be in a community, there is no better community, guys. Come on, let's be serious. If you're gonna watch somebody live on YouTube, who are you gonna watch? This thing's watching. Who are you gonna watch? Oh my gosh, come on. Let's see what's going on in the chatter today. We got the team winning. Got Marius taking profit there on the NASDAQ. We got the whole team winning. We got this guy making $1,600. We got Cheryl. She's long 17 Charizard cards. We got Revan killing it always. Got Sage in the chat. So even when I'm not live on YouTube, we got the chat popping off constantly in the Market Flow Trader community, though. We got this guy right here, $825. Nice. Hey, a little bit of profit every day keeps the doctor away, my friends. So if you guys want to learn more about the Market Flow Trader community, there's a link down below. We got all the videos. I go through my entire kind of process of what I'm doing, you know, how to trade futures. Like, even if you're a beginner trader, you want to start trading futures, we got all these beautiful videos. There's my, look at me. Oh my God. How is one man so beautiful? My hair is going to grow back and I'm going to be that beautiful again one day. Don't you worry. I might be weird looking with this weird haircut right now, but my hair will be beautiful once again. It will happen. I will get back to beauty status. Be back to be the best looking day trader on YouTube. Right now, yeah. So if you guys want to learn all these videos, like I said, Market Flow Trader community. If you're tired of losing, you're tired of being a fucking loser in life, it's time to invest, my friends. But let's do the giveaway right now. Giveaway time. Giveaway time. Giveaway time. Time. It's time to party. All right, so wait, go here to giveaways. You guys already know the process here, right? There's the process. We're doing 2 giveaways today. 2 winners. All you do is go sign up. We'll do the giveaway at 11 o'clock. And then we got the premiere of the no bias video at 11:15. So let's go. There's that pullback. I mean, fuck me. Did I call it or did I call it? Up there to the 801 level. Good thing I took profit where I did. I wasn't gonna be too greedy. Hey, when you get a move, when you call out the move and the move happens, you gotta take profit, all right? Don't be that guy. Don't be the guy who wants more. That's the one thing I've learned in 7 years of trading. You know, when you call out the levels that you're looking for and those levels get hit, don't be that fucking guy who's like, well, it went to 800. Let me wait for 850 now. Right? All right. So go check it out. Sign up now. We're live. We're going to do 2 giveaways today. We're going to do giveaways through that, and then we'll do another little giveaway as well. So if you're following me on Twitter, for my Twitter followers, there's a link right there. Go leave a comment, hit the like button. Got to agree with the question, obviously. So don't, you know, and then we'll pick a winner here for that as well. So Twitter followers represent. Where are my Twitter followers at? You got banned on Twitter? Well, you don't get a win then. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. Banned on Twitter. That's no fun. All right. Time to do this giveaway here. We only got 200 submissions for the giveaway, so that's pretty good odds. 1 out of 200. Better than playing fucking the lottery, that's for sure. Who's going to be the lucky winner today? I'll give you 1 more minute to sign up if you haven't already. 1 more minute. I like these comments. Genetics. Let's see some of the comments. How can one man be so good and also so good looking? Some of the comments. Genetics. He's an alien sent to Earth. Head shape matters. It is a head shape matters. It's because he eats meat. I like it. I like it. You guys are funny people. By brushing your teeth at market open, you know how we do. You know how we do. All right, let's do the giveaway for the first giveaway. Who's going to be the lucky submitter? Let's see. All right, the winner. First winner is going to be Jeremy Hank. Jeremy Hank. Are you in the chat? Mr. Jeremy Hank. What a great name. Jeremy Hank. Hank Jeremy. Jeremy Hank. All right. Mr. Jeremy Hank. I like that name. Good name. Jeremy, you're a winner. You'll get an email later on today, Jeremy, from my team at the Market Flow Trader community with your access to the community. Welcome, baby. Jeremy Hank in the chat. $500 course giveaway there. You get it. All I ask is if you guys win these, you know, if you go through the course, you join the community, show a little bit of love, maybe post a review up somewhere. It can be an honest review. If you think the community, you think the course sucks, that's totally fine. Share that experience. But if you do think that there's value there, you like the community itself, don't be afraid to let people know. So the cat dad's never gonna win. No more cat dads allowed. Cat dads are banned forever from the live stream. All right, the second winner, Susan Mortimer. Also a good name. Susan Mortimer. I like that name. We got some good names here today. Susan Mortimer. Are you in the chat? Susan? Susan Mortimer. That's a pretty good name. Mortimer. That's a good last name, to be honest. Look at that. Susan won. Oh man. Susan Mortimer. I don't know why those two names are so good sounding, but we had Jeremy Hank and Susan Mortimer. Two good names to win. So congratulations to Susan and Jeremy Hank for now becoming members of the most exclusive trading channel on the trading channels. The NASDAQ bouncing off the VWAP here, pushing back up 95s again. You gotta change your name. You gotta make it a good name. I'll pick a better, the better the name, the better the pick. All right, let's do the Twitter giveaway now. Twitter giveaway. How can one man be so good looking and so good? I don't know. The problem that we have. It's a curse, actually. It's a curse. Twitter giveaway. Twitter giveaway. Twitter random giveaway. All right, all right. Here we go. Random comment Twitter picker. Let's do it. The winner will be, are you ready? This is live. One. Oh, we got to get Twitter data. Get Twitter data here. Okay, we got the Twitter data. And we're starting the giveaway here. The winner is Franco 1017. J Franco 1017. Congratulations, J Franco 1017. You're a winner, my friend. Not only do you get to watch me live on YouTube, but you also get a win in general. It's like it's a win-win. It's literally a win-win-win. You can't lose. Like, you literally can't lose by watching me on YouTube. Because even if you do lose trading, you at least get some entertainment. And then maybe you get to win something free as well. So it's a win-win-win. Can't spell Wieland without win. Can't spell win without Wieland. Think about that. Wieland, win, Wieland, win-win. Win, Wieland, win. All right. So right now the NASDAQ, looking here. The ES, look at the ES just grinding higher. Like I said, the ES pushes above that 63, 64 level, and there's that push up, taking the NASDAQ higher. So the ES just grinding. We got that breakout there. The ES, beautiful breakout there from the 62s up there to the 68s. Now sitting there at 68.50. Let's go, baby. All right. Daniel, it's been a pleasure, my friend. Been a pleasure. Baby. And right now, looking here at the NASDAQ on the 15-minute chart, we finally got that breakout. Everybody was so bearish earlier. Now, I'm not going to say that I was like, the most ultimate bull ever, but there's that push back up above the VWAP. Like I said, it just wanted that boner candle right through the fucking VWAP, and that's exactly what we got. Just took a little bit longer than we wanted. We took a couple tries at it, and finally, that little beautiful move. This was that bear flag we talked about earlier. Look at this thing just breaking right back out to the upside there. So I think at the end of the day, the real strength here came from the ES. The ES didn't want to break the downside. It held that 60 level. The NASDAQ kind of held there at the 60s. And there's that push up there to the 800s through the VWAP now. And that was kind of the move. On the book map right now, we got that 15,815 level. So the NASDAQ still trying to push up there. Paul Wade, so we have to sign up for Topstep? Do you have to? You don't have to. You want to. It's Never been a better time, baby. Never been a better time to sign up for Topstep. Right now on Topstep, got some of the deals. It's literally 70% off here on Topstep right now. It's 70% off for Topstep. So the deal right now, $50,000 account is $49. The $100,000 is $99, $149. Now it's currently one step. You get to keep the first $10,000, 100% of your first $10,000, and then 90-10 after that. You just have to have 5 winning days of $200 or more. Yeah, I mean, they've been around for a long time. They got the Discord. They got all kinds of stuff going on. So if you want to learn more, and yeah, it's still available all week. Do I have a video explaining how to trade across multiple accounts? Yes, I do on the channel. No, you don't have to sign up for Topstep for the giveaway. You don't have to. Do you need a second phone number to make another account? Nope, you do not. You can trade multiple combines, one person. You can trade, then you can have 3 express funded accounts. The sale is going on. I think it's going on until the end of the month now. They extended the sale because everybody was so excited and just loving it. So I think that price honestly is like yeah. I would say like just keep this price forever, right? Like this is like at a great price, $99, the 100,000, 150 for the 150, you know. So and the ES still going higher. The ES up to the pivot point there, 4,570. Look at the ES, just do. The NASDAQ definitely not the clean one today. The ES just taking the market higher and higher. So congratulations if you took some nice profits today on the ES. It was pretty, I would say the ES today was pretty much just like textbook trading, right? You got this big push up at open. We pulled back kind of to that previous area of resistance. We then pushed up again. We then consolidated, kind of getting this just like channel right here. We broke out to the upside there again. We pushed up here to this pivot point. Yeah, I mean, every single level that we bounced at was a key level. So this 60 level was the previous week high. That 65 level, the Monday high. Look at the ES, now up there 570s, 571. Let's go, baby. People thought the market was going to be just dump all day, and the ES definitely showing some strength here from the 48s now up there to the 70s. We talked about that pivot point earlier. We broke above yesterday's high as well. So, I mean, in terms of the ES today, I don't think you could have had a cleaner move possible. Like, really, for the ES, I mean, it was textbook. Literally just textbook trading today in terms of this move up. We followed the trend line. We were above the VWAP there. The NASDAQ definitely was a lot choppier, but, I mean, this breakout right here, I mean, when you see, what was that? From 10 o'clock until 10:40, when you see this type of flag and holding that level there at the 60s, I mean, you know, if we break out, we're going to go higher. Like, it's there. So the pivot point getting tapped. We held that pivot point at open. These pivot points, I don't care what anyone says. If you're going to put a chart, if you're going to put a indicator on your chart, I think the pivot points, the VWAP, you just can't go wrong. It's pretty clear to see. Like, if we're above the VWAP on the ES and we're pushing through pivot points, well, then it's time to party, right? It's the bulls are in control, you know? So those pivot points love to get touched. It's crazy because, you know, in the morning, we look at these pivot points and we're like, wow. You know, like you look at this pivot point in the morning, we're here at the 49s and you see the 70 level and you're like, well, there's no way we're gonna get there, right? Like, there's no way. So or you just like, it's funny. It's like, I don't know. It's funny because we do this every day. We see this every day, and we're like, at the open, we're like, man, like, that pivot point's up there at the 70s. Like, are we really going to push all the way to the 70s now? And there it is. Absolutely beautiful move. The NASDAQ just total crap. You can see the difference between the NASDAQ and the ES today. I mean, in terms of overall quality of trades, 3-minute chart here, if you just let's get rid of the Lux Algo price action concepts there. I mean, yeah. Totally different story today for the NASDAQ. Not so hot. So the Topstep discount should be, I think it's till the end of the month. Got a little bit longer for it. All right, so we got the live premiere here on the channel at 11:15. We're doing a new video today talking about day trading bias. I wanted to get that out there. Just trying to talk about the emotion of having that bias as a day trader. So if you guys want to check it out, 11:15, we'll be doing that video there on the YouTube. It's free to watch. And right now, the NASDAQ sitting here at 15,800. I'd say we break out here. I just don't see how the NASDAQ doesn't want to break out and try to do something. I mean, it's definitely been lagging the ES here for, you know, most of the morning, but we get through this 800 level. I don't see how we don't go like 815s. There's a bunch of liquidity there at the 815s on the book map right now on the NASDAQ here. So that 815 level sitting up there would be a good target if we push through the 800s next. Should try to get through there and then just kind of take out that 800 level. With the ES just making new highs after new highs, how is the NASDAQ lagging this much? So we'll see how she plays out. Right now, just kind of sitting at that pivot point on the NASDAQ there. NASDAQ pivot point at the 94s, 94 pivot point. After that, the next pivot point is all the way up there at 920s. 920, the next pivot point there. I still think, yeah, I mean, let's get through this 800 level on the NASDAQ and at least try to get up here to that pre-market kind of high, right? In theory, just get right through there. Trying to push again up there to the 800s. They just added liquidity there at the 800s again. Somebody don't want the NASDAQ to go up. It's rigged. It's rigged. So we got the premiere here at 11:15. So if you guys are still watching, tune into that at 11:15, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Wild Wednesdays, Wednesday Wilds, Wednesday Trading, Wednesday Wild. I don't know, something like that. We'll be live tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. We're live every morning. Let it go. Let's go. I think if we get through the 800s here, we're going 15s or higher. Yeah. Through the 800s, we go 15s or higher on the NASDAQ. That's my prediction. I'm not going to bet my channel on it, but I got a feeling. I got a feeling that this thing wants to go through 800s. I think it wants to go through the 800s. It wants to go. There we go. 804 push right now. 805, 806s, 807s. That feeling paying the bills, baby. Ayo, ayo. I'm going to let this one ride, see if we can get a move up there above the 10s next. Stop even there. Even stop there for now. So I'm going to get ready for the premiere. Like I said, I think we just get this push up there towards the 820s, 815s next. I don't see how we don't go. There's that little boner candle to the upside up there to the 810s now. How high can she go? Why? If today's wild Turbo Tuesdays, tomorrow's definitely should be wild Wednesdays. Wild Wednesdays. We'll be back live on the channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, I'll see you then. All right. Tune in for the live stream for a little premiere. And I'll see you guys then. Peace to the Middle East.